Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. We're in downtown Cato, Paphos, that is for sure. To give you a bearing, we're somewhere to the rear of Bar Street. That is the Sofiana Hotel, Resort and Spa. So that's a bearing over there. There's a big aeroplane coming in with an awful lot of tourists on it, which is always good to see. You've got varying bars and restaurants around. You've got Daphne Taxi. You've got the Georgian restaurant over there. You've got the first and the last. But we're going to go down this little street down here. Some of it's dilapidated and some of it's not. But before we do, I'm going to introduce you to Miss Ochi. Rasivia.
Hello everybody. How nice to see you again and again.
And again. So stick with us. This is one of the streets that's closed off to make it nice and safe for the pedestrians in this area. So they close the barriers on certain streets at nights. There's the Aces Sports and Cocktail Bar. That's got a bit of an Australian theme going on. You right? He's going to go up to Flyers afterwards. They're getting ready to drag you in. That's at the top half of Bar Street. We've got a nice restaurant on the side here. This is a traditional Georgian restaurant and it's new to the block. Have a look at that. It's what we call a gamajoba. Gamajoba. There we are. Looks like a nice restaurant, nice and clean, and I'll bet you they serve you some very, very nice kinkali, because I can see the picture. Have a look at that.
I don't think they opened a long time ago.
No, I think it's quite a new restaurant. How do you say it, Rasivia Yalabu?
Zveli Medehi.
Say it again.
Zveli Medehi.
Say it again.
Zveli Medehi.
There we are. Doesn't that sound absolutely beautiful? The lady's got a great, great smile, and she's now understanding that I don't speak much Gamajuba, but she speaks an awful lot. There we are. There we are.
It's been 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's right. It's been completely refurbed and open. Looks like a very, very nice restaurant indeed. Does traditional cuisine, does Georgian cuisine, and obviously it does, my favourite. Have a look at that. That's like a pita bread with a bit of cheese and an egg in the middle, and that is absolutely to die for. I think maybe a little bit later I might come back and have one of them because I do fancy it. I'm coming back here later. I want one of these. Haji Pori. Haji Pori. One of the greatest foods in the world. Jessica,
She's inviting you. In 15 minutes it's going to be ready for you.
An hour, 1 hour. We're going to go round, 1 hour, we're back. 1 hour. So what time is it now? 8:30. Tell her 8:30. 8:30. We'll be back. We're going to go storm Bar Street, down the promenade, down the harbour. Then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to eat hachapuri.
It's Ajarian style hachapuri. Whereas if you understand, it's a pie like a boat, like the shape of boat. And on the sides in this boat, the shape of
it's hard to explain.
There is a cheese, cottage cheese, and then inside they put cheese in again, and a piece of butter, and
an
egg.
There we are. Hachapuri, very, very tasty indeed. There you go. Baywatch, one of the greatest cocktail bars, Friends Bar. Get your money out, and there you got the Caliente restaurant. So we are about to storm Bar Street. There could be a bit of running around if they crank the music up, that's for sure. On the right hand side you've got the oldest traditional taverna in the whole of Cyprus, started in 1971. That's the Demakritos Taverna. Most nights of the week, especially in the summer, traditional Greek folkloric dancing.
Yeah.
Yes, Christine Gillaboo?
Folkloric dance.
How do you say it?
Folkloric dance.
There we are. Don't you just love that accent? How do you say that restaurant, Rasivia LaBouffe? That's the Alcione restaurant, one of the greatest steakhouses in downtown Cato Paphos. Stick with us because we are now going to go up Bar Street. Starting off there, that's the Robin Good pub. Am I right?
Robin Good.
Robin Good.
The
That's
man
right.
who was doing good things.
Yes, there we are. But he wasn't, as we understand. Robin Hood pub. I'll tell you the story one day. On that side, open on a Saturday and Sunday nights, is the Tropical Nights. Over here, they're getting ready to party the night away. That's the Red Lion pub, sports bar and pub. Great, great pub. And then once you, can we say, committed a few sins on your way before you continue up Bar Street, you can pop into there and repent those sins in the beautiful, beautiful little medieval themed church. Very, very nice church indeed. Rasivia?
Well, I'm still thinking about Georgian hachapuri. are Georgian. It's very,
Hold
very
on.
nice.
We can't go anywhere. Can't go anywhere.
You can't go
I think we're
anywhere.
going to move. Where are you from?
Cambridge.
That's it. We're moving to Cambridge.
How are you?
How are you doing? We came
Very well,
looking
yeah.
for you the other night, but you're gone.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Did you subscribe?
I have subscribed.
Yes, we have.
Why didn't you say?
We have.
No, I watched you. You're right, your man. What's your name? Finn. Ah, I've seen your name. You've subscribed. You're open. Yeah. It's an unusual name. One of my best friends in school, his name was Finn Bielka. So where's that name come from? Because he was Norwegian.
Scottish, I think.
Right. Well, Norway to Finland, I suppose, is not far, is it? Not that far. This guy, I know you subscribed because two of you did at the same time, probably, yeah?
I did.
And someone else did. What's your name?
I didn't subscribe. And now I
Brandon.
Yes. You're open again.
I'm
Good to
Nicola.
see you again. Good to see you again. Who's this beauty?
Eloise.
Eloise. What a lovely, lovely name. Where are you off to now? Where are you off
Are
to?
you recording?
I am recording.
So
Yes,
basically,
tell me.
she passed her exams today for. So she's qualified to be a.
Early years practitioner.
Ah.
After children.
So I fell over earlier on. Luckily, I managed to get back up again. But if I had been in trouble, we could have called you. And what a great name, Eloise. Wow, wonderful. Are you off out to party now?
Yes.
Yes.
of course.
Lovely.
Nice to see you again.
You probably haven't watched it yet, but we both think your wife is beautiful. And I mean beautiful in a beautiful way.
Have you?
Yeah, well, no, you're maybe might be tomorrow or the night after.
Oh, because
but
I
you'll be
keep
there.
looking and I can't see.
Yeah, we're about. I'll tell you a little secret. I shouldn't tell you this. She's going away, so we're doing a lot of videos. So we are about 8 days ahead.
Well, to see my parents, they are ill both. So just for a weekend maybe.
Hey, take her with you.
I said,
She can practice her skills.
yeah. I
You
said
never
on the
know. You don't know.
earliest video when we were filming that I really like you. I was admiring your beauty.
Yeah, she's a beautiful lady. I mean, beautiful lady. You're very lucky a man like
Thank
myself,
you.
Mr. Jason.
I can see
Lovely.
that.
Absolute stars.
Hopefully see you with again.
We're going to catch you again, that's for sure.
We're here for another week.
Lovely. If not, we're coming to your hotel. Where are you staying again?
Fancy village.
Oof, we'll find you in there.
Yeah,
You'll be by the pool.
Yeah.
Take care, Finn. See you later. See you later. Have a great night. Hey, you, don't drink too much. Don't drink too much, you. See you later. Absolute stars. We've met them twice on our travels, one off camera and once on camera. Absolute superstars. And, well, what can I say? We're humbled whenever we meet these people, whenever they stop us on our travels, should we say. There it is, one of the most popular bars in downtown Paphos, the Flyers Bar. Oh Sally, where are you? This is destined to be yours one of these days. And while you're at it, drop a couple of million as well and buy the Imperial Beach, because we know you like that hotel as well. We're looking forward to seeing you next year, and don't forget, your mum and dad are welcome as well. Hold on, here he is. Look at that. One of the greatest stars on the. You're right. How are you doing? There we go. And if you want pizza, you go to him.
The best in town.
He's the best for pizza. Everything else, he's the best. An absolute star. Thank you. Absolute hero. He really is one of our heroes, because if you go hunting back, and I mean back, all the way to the first few videos, that young man ran across the road, accosted us right there, got his phone out, didn't know what the hell we were doing, and clicked the like and hit the subscribe. And he's been loyal to us ever since. Every time we come down here, he's often busy, but he's always waiting. He's a nice guy indeed, that's right.
Go down there.
Bubbles over there. That's a nice songing sports bar. And over there, the one making all the noise, with a man with a smile on his face, is the Notorious Bar. One of the busiest and most famous bars in downtown Paphos. Come back here in a couple of hours, and that place, it'll be absolutely packed. Right, come with us as we go down this little side street, which will link us to the main Paphos Avenue, which to you and me is the hotel road. So you've got a hotel down that way. All the way down there is the beautiful Paphos Promenade. So as I say, all roads lead that way. So we're going to join it with a beautiful restaurant up above, and that restaurant is the Imperial Chinese. As it goes dark, it starts to glow in like a violet colour. Very nice food, and the service, well, the service is beyond reproach. Come on.
Yes.
Absolutely fantastic
The
service.
food was within a few minutes
Yeah.
ready, and we were done within half an hour if we were eating so quick.
Yeah.
we would be gone.
Yes. Oh, they definitely turn the tables, that's for sure. But don't misunderstand me. The service you're given is exceptional. The food that we had was exceptional. And there was a young gentleman who'd lived in Cyprus in England most of his life, and then came back to Cyprus. So his English was absolutely perfect, obviously. And he really was a star, an absolute gentleman. And his name was Marios. And I believe he still works there to this day. We've eaten there 3 to 4 times. We haven't been since COVID-19. There we go.
So if you don't want the service to be so quick, you can tell them, and it's going to be
Correct.
slow.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. They're not trying to throw you out. They want you to stay there as long as possible and spend as much money as possible.
From here.
It's a great, great view. Have a look at that again. Imperial Chinese restaurant. The whole top floor. You've got a great staircase, which is all floodlit with nice trees and a great, great menu. And that's how you pirouette all the way up to the top of the Imperial Chinese. Stick with us. This road's quite quiet. We're going to cross it, and we're going to take you with us down to the Cato Paphos Promenade. You see it?
Oh, now the lady from Georgian restaurant is going to be waiting for you.
8:30. So these videos are not going to ramble on that much. We're going to finish this one, do another one, and I'm going to get back and eat my kinkali. Hi, you all right? You having a good holiday? Lovely, absolute stuff. Great, great guy. 2 more. You all right, young man? You all right? How are you doing? Say to your mum. Where are you from? Chester.
We're recording.
You're on a YouTube channel, all right?
We're on YouTube.
He's a violent man, isn't he? There we are. We're on YouTube. Yeah, do you want a card? Do you know where it is? You're famous-ish.
Yes.
Not.
How do you follow us?
Hold on, I haven't got a card. Give him the we can't. Marika and me, I haven't got a card on me. I've lost my cards. Hold on a second. Let's have a look. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go, young man. Thanks very much. Absolute stars. I don't know if you noticed, but an elderly gentleman decided to elbow barge me. Anyway, never mind. I'll let him off this time. We'll come back and find him later.
I'm very scared today. Something's happening with the people, or something's flying in the air.
Yeah, it appears so. The aggression amongst people is rising for some reason. Must be something to do with the heat. It appeared that elderly gentleman didn't think it was okay for me to stand on a pavement and chat to a couple of young men, but never mind. We'll leave him at it. You see the Alibu?
Well, this area, it's very, very nice, and now this crickets is going to be shouting like crazy. We would like to thank you many, many times for watching, for time and support. We are loving you to bits. Please don't forget to come back and see another of our madnesses.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit that like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. That's the Dionysus Hotel, and that is the Royal. Great, great place to go for your breakfast, your lunch, or your evening meal. There's the rear end of Gusidi Alibu. Thanks for watching.